bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying at Yesota bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesota. I publish many books on honey, and the latest book I published is about on the usefulness of herbs and leaves. See, I'm the publisher of African Power. African Power. Yes, agbára èèyàn dúdú. This is honey as a medicine. Honey as a medicine. This is ọ̀nà àbáyọ sísòro ẹ̀dá, solution to woman problems. Solution to woman problems. This is agbára ìwòsàn oyin. Healing power of honey. Healing power of honey. Yes. Some people are asking me, can they get these books on Amazon? No. Some people are asking me, Baba Oloyin, all these your books, are you on Amazon? No, I'm not yet there. You can't get my books there. If I'm to be there in future, I will inform you generally that my books are there. But now, my books are not on Amazon. You can buy my books online. You can buy it on your phone. That is, we can send the books to you because our books are on PDF format. We can send the books to you on your email, Gmail, or on your WhatsApp. Yes. You can get our books at Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. And if you go to our agent at Mushin, number 4, Alukolaro Street. Number 4, Alukolaro Street, Mushin bus stop. When you reach Mushin bus stop or AP bus stop, just ask for Alukolaro Street. Alukolaro Street, they will direct you. You can come in through Isolo route. You can come through Olonsogo. Ask for number 4, Alukolaro Street. I have a branch at Bariga. I have a branch at Ikotun, Selegbe. If you reach Selegbe, tell them you are going to Agodo Market. We have a branch there. As at Oshodi, we have a branch at Oshodi. We have a branch at Surulere. Call me or WhatsApp me. I will direct you to all these addresses that you can get our products. Honey is very scarce now. That is why we are selling for those who have bought our books or who are just willing to buy the books because they need original honey to do what we put in the books. Honey is very scarce now. It's very, very scarce. Don't forget about these rules. I will talk about it later. It's very good for diabetes, for rheumatism, for arthritis, and for manpower. Today, I want to teach you how you can use these leaves. Some people, you have seen this leaf before, but you don't know that it is very good. This is what we call Moringa oleifera. Moringa oleifera. Some people get it in their compound. They don't know its usefulness. Some people get it in the compound and they are still sick. They don't know they can use these leaves to cure themselves. Get seated. I will tell you today. Don't forget, these are my latest book. This is honey as a medicine. And this is the latest one, African Power. They are not on Amazon. When we are in Amazon, I will inform the whole world. But now, don't bother yourself that you want to go and buy my books there. They are not there. These rules, some people, a man came to me one day. He said he lost his wife because he couldn't perform very well. Ìyàwó mi kọ̀ mí torí mi ò lè ṣe dáadáa. My wife ran away because of my impotency. I said, well, he complained and he tried, he couldn't meet up. He now want to marry another girl. He's afraid that what caused the problem the other time for the lady that ran away, He don't want it to repeat itself. He bought the books. I sold the roots for him. Yes, I sold it to him. Now, he said the lady is now showing appreciation that you are the type I can marry. I'm a tiny thing. Ìyàwó wọn ò kí ń kọ́ wọn. Ìyàwó àmọ́ ẹ̀tọ́ ò kí ń kọ́ máa ta. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, torí wọ́n ń ṣe déédéé, they used to do very well. You have money, but you don't get free. Your wife will carry all the better food in the house to her concubine. Yes, ogun ni a lọ fáìlì ó tẹ̀ bá fọ́kọ nílé. Ogun náà lọ fáìlì ó tẹ̀ bá fọ́kọ nílé. Alólówó orí mi ò mọ̀ rẹ́ranko. Àsámi egun tó wà lọ́bẹ̀ yìí ò fi fẹ́ bá mi jẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, you have money. You can give your wife 50,000, 100,000, 2 million for shopping, but you cannot shop in the night. Your wife will run away. Some people they saying, olójú kòkòrò lọmọ yẹn o. I don't know why she left Alhaji. I don't know why that lady. That man is a big man, and he used to buy clothes, buy everything, buy jewelry for the woman. That girl, she's not satisfied. She ran away. If you see the girl you ask, she will not tell you this. Say, I don't want to talk about Alhaji. I don't want to talk about that man. Because when you marry me inside, you cannot perform your duty. Some lady, they used to cry inside. Say, what type of nonsense it is? There's a man, he used to sleep in the guest room. He refused to sleep with the wife again. He used to sleep at their dining room. Me and him parlor. Was sleeping in the parlor. The wife was weeping. Say, do you have any other person apart from me that refused to touch me for the past 6 months? Later, the man confessed, I can't perform again. And I don't want to worry myself. At least we have 2 children already. The woman was crying. The husband was crying also. After some time, the woman heard about our program. He said she just received a call. After the call, YouTube just brought that into her. She, what is this? She watched the program. She came to buy the roots for the husband. Now, they are now enjoying themselves. When she came to give testimony, I said, you're supposed to buy minerals for me. She said, Baba, I will give you more than minerals because you have done wonderful in our marriage. I was about to divorce my husband before I came across your channel on YouTube. Now, they are married. The woman has introduced me to another people. Look, I encountered this problem before. I went to Yesiota. So, the rest is history now. You can get the roots name in this book, African Power. African Power. Yes, it's my latest book. You will see many things inside. If you watch my sister station, Kenny Show, I told you how you can use alligator pepper for protection. You usually go to office 2 a.m., 3 a.m., or you used to come back by 11 p.m., 12 p.m. the midnight. Some people, they lost their phones to all these boys. But when you are going, you have alligator pepper, they will give your own respect. Auntie, pass. Brother, we are not touching you. Yes. Yes. If we enter motor, by the special grace of God, we will not get accident. How you can use alligator pepper for that? Watch my sister station, Kenny Show. I taught you last week. Go and watch the video on YouTube. Kenny Show television. You see it there. So how you can use sand, 1 a.m. sand, 1 afternoon sand, for protection also is here in this book. Okay, it's here in this book. 1 a.m. sand, 1 p.m. sand is here. Penis enlargement is here. Some people, their breast too small. You can use it. If your breast is too small, you can use this. You see it in this book. Watch Kenny Show last week. If you see my episode for last week, you will see that I talk about how you can use alligator pepper there. Go and watch. Then Mr. Last Born Comedy. Adewusi. Just press Mr. Last Born Comedy. Adewusi. You will see a certain leaf you can use. If you match juju, they put chance on the chair for you. You match it and it's giving you wahala. After you protect yourself with only one leaf, the leaf resemble this one very very well. When you watch the season, Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi, go and watch it. When you watch it, you will see me there. You will see me and Mr. Last Born when we talk about the leaves there. So that is that about that. Now back to this one. The leaves I just mentioned, it resembles this one, but it is not this one. The name of that leaf, you will see it, Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi, you will see it there. So these leaves now is Moringa oleifera. Moringa oleifera. This Moringa oleifera, you can boil it, cook it like a native agbo. You take the water, you can drink it as normal tea. But when you want to drink it as tea, don't add sugar. You can only add original honey to it. If you take it, you will not get hypertension. If you take it, you won't have diabetes. Yes. If you take these leaves, you can cook it as vegetables. There are some people, they don't see their period again. Their period has ceased. If you can continue, some people can eat it like this, so they can eat it raw. Yes, you can eat it. Some people used to eat it like this. You can cook it as vegetable. Yes, cook it as vegetable. If you don't have if your period is not flowing very well, you can use it. This leaf, Moringa oleifera, is good for hypertension. It's in this book, Solution to Women Problems. If you buy this book, you will see more about it. If you cook these leaves, Moringa oleifera, you cook it as soup. If you have hypertension, you can take it, boil it, and drink it, add honey to it. Then you begin to take it every morning as if you are drinking tea. No add sugar, don't add milk. You can add honey. You can only add honey to it. Then if you are always tired, tiredness normally kill people. As I died yesterday, he was complaining of tiredness. If he's complaining of tiredness, it's just like stomach problem. When you are complaining of stomach ache, if care is not taken, person will just die. So you can use it if you're always tired. You are always tired. Some people cannot walk for 1 kilometer. They will be doing like this. And if you tell them they have hypertension, they will tell you they don't have hypertension. If you take it regularly, it is very good. For more information, if you buy Solution to Women Problems book, you will see it there. Don't forget these rules. Many people they are now thanking God for these rules. It's good for rheumatism, arthritis, diabetes, power. The name of the rules is in African Power. All these my books are online. You can send them to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. But they are not on Amazon. All these books are not on Amazon. Don't bother yourself to go and look for it there. It's not there. You can't get it there. You can't get them there. See, if you are within Nigeria, we can send the books to you within Nigeria when you can pay. If you can pay for courier service will deliver for you. We are using a very fast, powerful, good courier service. Immediately we send books, within 3 days, they deliver to you. Even when we send books, Abuja normally get his second day, Port Harcourt second day, Benin second day. Other ones that are far, like North, Kano, Kaduna, you can get your own 3 days time. Yes. Anytime we post book like this through courier service, the second day Port Harcourt normally call me. I've received my book. My people in Port Harcourt can testify. I have many customers in the East. As I always tell you. Say before we used to go to motor parks to send books. but this is a modern way. We don't do that again. All the books will go to courier service. Courier service will deliver for everybody. But before, I used to go to Oto, Ido, Fadeyi, Ojota, looking for Onisha Park, Kaduna Park, Abuja Park. Now it's through courier service. So don't forget my phone number. The program you are watching is Baba Oloyin Original Television. My phone number is on the screen. 08054749455. You can WhatsApp me on this line. And if you want to get your books online, make sure it's from this WhatsApp number or from my Kenny Show WhatsApp number. You can get my message for that through WhatsApp number. If you want to buy my books, yes, we can send the books to you within Nigeria if you can pay for delivery. So till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.
Bàbá Olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.